Hi everyone, I'm Major. In this video, we will watch the intelligent detection of building ArchiWood. When we are drawing the model, we will encounter some problems, more or less. These problems, it's hard for us to check them with our naked eyes. At this time, you can pass the intelligent detection of building ArchiWood. It can very quickly to help us check for various problems inside. Okay, let's open SU. Let's use the order model we mentioned earlier as an example and explain it to you. When all the models are created and have created the hardware, we can perform intelligent detection. Its usage method is very simple. If we only want to check the current cabinet, to conduct intelligent detection, we click to select this cabinet, and then click the smart detection icon on the toolbar, the icon of intelligent detection. If we want to detect all the cabinets in the drawing area, that is, there are multiple cabinets here, we need to detect all the cabinets here to be detected intelligently. Then we don't select any cabinets and directly click the icon of intelligent detection. In this way, we can perform intelligent detection on all cabinets. Okay, let's click on this cabinet and then click the smart detection icon. The intelligent detection panel will pop up. We click OK. Then it will automatically detect. After the inspection, we can see on the right status prompt bar. See a status prompt. Here, we can see red status prompts and green status prompts. In fact, in the process of using intelligent detection, there are three colors for the status prompt. One is the red we just saw, and the other is the green one we just saw. The other one we haven't seen just now. Yellow or orange that we haven't seen before. Different colors represent different levels of errors. Red is the most serious. So, the red one, it means we must click to check. There is a high probability of a problem, so how do we click to check? Just click on the name in front. After clicking on the name in front, it will automatically locate the problem area, which makes it easier for us to check. The second is orange display. The orange display means we need to click to check. It may not have a problem, but we can click to check it. The third color is green. This generally means there is no problem, so we don't need to check them. These green areas, of course, in the actual use process, we should pay attention. It doesn't mean that red means there is definitely a problem. Some problems may be caused by our settings. Then we can go back to SketchUp, and we can take a look. Now, it shows that there is an error in red. We must check it. We just click on the name in front and click here. Here, we can see that it is displayed in red, and there will be a description of the corresponding error. This description represents that the current board is too small, which may cause production problems. But actually, through a measurement, we find that its size has reached 60 millimeters, which is enough for production. At this time, it may be caused by our settings. We can find the minimum size of the board, find the minimum size of the plate, length or width. We can change the minimum size to 49. To make it smaller, after reducing it, click Save. Then we go back to the sub-panel of the intelligent detection result. Then we can click on the redetection. After we click on the redetection, then this problem will not exist. Let's make a try. Okay, now we can see that the displayed result, it shows normal, but it seems a little too little. What is the reason for this? The reason is that we only select the current board. So we need to click the entire cabinet here and then perform intelligent detection. We can't just click on one board. To perform intelligent detection, we need to select the entire cabinet and then click on intelligent detection. Okay, now the detection result comes out. The error of the too small board we just saw. This error will not appear again. Now, for the second error. We click on the name in front again. After clicking, it will automatically locate. In this way, which makes it easier for us to see the error. Here, we can see that it shows a collision problem. Probably, there is some collision with the hinges. Okay, at this time, we can see that there is no collision, which means there is no problem. At this time, we can set the detection conditions here. We can see the bottom of the Wujing hinge holes. Automatic avoidance. We can check this box and click Save. Let's go back here. Select the entire cabinet, and then rerun the intelligent detection. After the inspection, we can see that there is no red error prompt. Now, all the prompts are green, indicating that there are no problems with the current cabinet. We can use X-ray and through the human eye to check, to see if there are any problems. Yes, if the human eye doesn't find any problems. We can also see here, there is a slot preview. If we click like this, it will show the grooves inside. Then we can also click the edge banding preview here. Then the edge banding will be displayed here. If there are no problems after detection, and they are normal, okay, it means there is no problem with this cabinet. We can proceed to the next step, and we can move on to the next step. So, when we operate to here, we can complete this step of the operation. Remember to click Save again. Press Ctrl+S. That's all for this video. Thank you, all.